Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Zain Faris Beloman, and this is my demo video for Lab 3 Part 1, Program 1, Part 1C, Program 1. This demo to demo how to calculate parameter of two integers using loop and add instruction. As we can see here on the data section, I declare my message and variable here, and I use byte to declare them because a string is just a collection of a character. And I also declare my variable site hex1, site hex2 to store the user input and parameter hexagon1 and parameter hexagon2 and total parameter to store the result. And I use the word because there are 32-bit integer to use. Okay, for the code section, um, first I display the title using right string. I need to use offset also to get the memory address of the message and store it in ADX. This is because right string need EDX to point to the address of the string, not to the value itself. And then I use readDec to get the side of the length from the user. readDec automatically store the input value into the EDX. So I just move it into my variable side hex1 and side hex2. And then to calculate the parameter, I use loop instruction. I set ECX to 6 because hexagon has 6 sides, and I also set EX to 0 as my accumulator and EBX to hold the side value. Then for the loop, each loop I add the side value in EBX into EX. Yeah. Uh, After 6 loop, each EX hold the total parameter, and I save into into the parameter second one here. And then the same thing I do for loop 2 hexagon 2 uh using label L2. Then I add both parameter together to get the uh, add both together to get the total parameter and display everything using right there. Okay, now let's run the program. Yeah, let's start the beginning. Wait, I put it here. I put 21 here, 21 on here. For input second 2, I put 34. Eh, so I get the input, the result parameter second 1 and 2 on here. Here, I got 122 because 21 times 6 is 122, and for second 2, 34 times 6 get 204. Then we total the parameter second 1 and 2 here, and we get 300. Okay, and I think that's all for the demo. Thank you.
Okay, hi, my name is Muhammad Faisifan bin Jamaluddin. So I'm going to do program 2. Okay, so now here is the code for this program 2. So now we have message title, message input, it's stored string, and then we declare the hello array for to store 6 input, and then we have total even. The total even is sum of hello 0, 8 and 16, and total odd is for sum of hello 4, 12 and 20. Okay, and then we have also this message result, message even and message odd. Okay, so now we move on to .code manprop. Okay, so now we run the program first. Okay, so here we call the message title. So the message title is calculate sum unsigned int index odd or even in array hello 6. Okay, and then we declare the ECX, we declare the loop counter inside ECX. So we will loop it 6 times, and then we also declare AC 0. This is AC. Okay, and then start looping. Offset message input, so it will show integer input, and then okay, so the first integer input is 20. Now we add AC before, So SC now is 0, so add 4 is, and then we go to loop. So now we only have to repeat 5 times, and then the second integer input is 25. Okay, and then the 25 number is stored inside hello 4 array 4. So yeah, and then add 4, same, the third number, the third integer. Okay, until 6. We will repeat until 6 times. 37 and 40, and then this is the last one, 43. Okay, so after the last one, the loop counter will become 0. So yeah, it will not loop again. So yeah, let's see like that, because the input loop is already 0. So now we declare SC is 0 again, reset offset, and then the loop counter is 3. So in the sum loop, we will loop it 3 times. Okay, then hello SC. So hello SC now is 0. Add total even. So like this earlier, total even is hello 0, 8, 16, and total out is 4, 12, and 20. And then so now total out even is 20, and hello SC 4. So hello 4 for total out. So now it's 25, and then add 8 to SC. So now the SC is 8. The value SC is 8, and then we loop some loop two more time to loop. So hello SC 8 is 30, add with total even earlier 20. So now it's 50. So same with the rest. So now this is the last loop, and yeah, and then we call the offset message result. Message result is result some hello index, and then lagi offset message even is some hello even index location. So it will display total even here. Yeah, it will display here. And same goes to message odd, some hello odd index location. So yeah, it will display just like this, just like the example even, 90 for hello even and 105 for hello odd. So that's all for program 2. Okay, now we go to program 3. So we run. Okay, so here are some string that we store. Okay, some string that we store. Then this side hex. This is for option 1, and then unity hexagon also for this program 1, and this is for program 2. We combine both inside this program. And then now we go to code and prop. Okay, so now move edx offset. So message welcome, we will display message welcome. Message welcome is welcome to simple math activities. And then message menu hdr, main menu, and then offset message option 1 to calculate parameter hexagon, and then 2 to calculate sum. We will display both. And then here is for user to select. So we will display message select your input. Okay. Then we will select here. So now we will try to go for the first option, first program. Option first, we will go to the first program. Okay. Now just like the first one, we will input two side length. We will input one side length for 2 hexagon. So we will calculate the parameter for 2 hexagon separated. So now let's say and then for the second hexagon is also is 20. And then we loop. This is for the hexagon, first hexagon loop, and then we will look for the second hexagon, and then this will display the hexagon. Right string is result for parameter hexagon 1 and 2, Okay, so here, so for the first hexagon is 60 and the second hexagon is 120, and the total enter for hexagon 1 and 2 is 180. And then we go to jump ask question. So here, this will display press Y to main menu or N to exit the benchmark. So we will press Y, and then we will do the same thing just like earlier. Okay, just like earlier. Welcome to simple math activities main menu. So we will now choose option 2. Option 2 is go to program 2. Okay, then option 2, do the same, enter input 6 integer number and store in an array. And then do the same just like program 2, and here's the result. The hello event is 90 and the hello odd is 105. And then jump to ask question again. We will choose whether to go to main menu or exit. So now we have tried the two program, the two option. We have tried both, so now we will exit. And yeah, that's all for the program 3, and the output there is the same, just like in the example given. Okay, so thank you.